Hey there. Ever wondered if the key to unlocking your brain's full potential is hiding in plain sight? What if I told you that a common herb, one you've probably walked past 100 times without giving it a second thought, could be the answer to one of humanity's most pressing health concerns, dementia? This unassuming little plant, with its heart-shaped leaves and subtle scent, could revolutionize brain health. But before we reveal its identity, let's explore why it's so special. Dementia is a devastating condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It robs individuals of their memories, their independence, and ultimately, their sense of self. The search for effective treatments and preventive measures has been ongoing for decades. And that's where our mysterious green friend comes in. This plant has been revered since ancient times. The Romans and Greeks used it to treat wounds and alleviate anxiety. In the Middle Ages, it was a key ingredient in a tonic used by nuns to promote longevity and vitality. In the 16th century, a famous physician and alchemist went so far as to call it the elixir of life. And in the 17th century, a writer described it as sovereign for the brain, strengthening the memory and powerfully driving away melancholy. But here's where it gets really interesting. Fast forward to the 21st century, and scientists are discovering that these ancient healers might have been onto something big. Researchers at a prominent hospital conducted a groundbreaking study on the oil extracted from this plant. They wanted to see if it could help people with severe dementia. The results? Astonishing. Almost 60% of the participants who took the oil showed a reduction in dementia symptoms. They became calmer, less frustrated, less aggressive. Their stress and anxiety levels dropped significantly. But how? What's the secret behind this plant's brain-boosting power? To understand this, we need to take a closer look at what's going on inside this plant at a molecular level. Scientists have identified over 70 active compounds in it. These include various flavonoids, polyphenolic compounds, and essential oils. One of the key players is rosmarinic acid. This compound has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It's thought to protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, two major factors in cognitive decline. But that's not all. This plant also contains compounds that interact with GABA receptors in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that helps to calm neural activity. Now, you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but how does this translate to real-world benefits? Great question. Let's break it down. Memory enhancement. Studies suggest that this plant can improve memory and cognitive function, particularly in older adults. Stress reduction. Its calming effects can help lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and its negative impacts on the brain. Sleep improvement. Better sleep quality is crucial for cognitive health, and this plant has been shown to promote more restful sleep. Mood regulation. By influencing neurotransmitters like GABA, it may help stabilize mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Neuroprotection. The antioxidant properties could help protect brain cells from damage over time. But here's where it gets really exciting. This plant isn't just good for your brain. Its benefits extend to multiple aspects of health. Research shows that it has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It can help fight off harmful bacteria and even combat herpes viruses. It may also help reduce the risk of diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. For those struggling with high blood pressure or high triglycerides, this plant could be a natural ally in bringing those numbers down. And let's not forget about its potential in cancer prevention. While more research is needed, early studies suggest that compounds in this plant may have anti-cancer properties. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. If this plant is so amazing, why isn't everyone using it? Well, that's a fair point. And it brings us to an important caveat. While the research on this plant is promising, it's still in its early stages. Many of these studies have been small-scale or conducted on animals. We need more large-scale, long-term human studies to fully understand its potential. But with that said, the potential of this plant is undeniably exciting. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily life. You can enjoy it as a refreshing tea. Simply steep a handful of fresh leaves in hot water for a few minutes. The resulting drink is not only delicious but could also give your brain a gentle boost. For those who prefer a more concentrated form, supplements are widely available. The typical dose is around 500 milligrams, taken once or twice daily. The essential oil is another option. You can use it in a diffuser to fill your space with its calming aroma. Or, diluted with a carrier oil, it can be applied directly to the skin for absorption. But here's a fun fact, you don't even need to consume or apply it to potentially benefit from it. Simply growing this plant in your garden or on your windowsill could have positive effects. The act of gardening itself has been shown to reduce stress and improve cognitive function. Plus, every time you brush past the plant, releasing its scent, you're giving your brain a little aromatic boost. Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for has finally arrived. Are you ready to discover the identity of this brain-boosting wonder? Let's reveal the secret that's been hiding in plain sight all along. Lemon balm. Yes, that's right. This miracle plant we've been talking about is none other than lemon balm, also known as Melissa officinalis or Maddox in some parts of the world. This unassuming herb, with its gentle lemony scent, could be the key to unlocking better brain health. From its use in ancient times to modern scientific studies, lemon balm continues to surprise us with its potential benefits. So the next time you see this humble plant, remember, it might just be nature's gift to your brain. And as always, thanks for watching.